Husqvarna professional chainsaws and their cutting systems are developed side by side to optimize your cutting capacity. Cutting capacity describes how well a chainsaw performs its primary task, cutting fast. The higher the cutting capacity, the higher the efficiency. To achieve high cutting capacity over time, X-Cut chains have an even, thin coating over the complete active cutting surface of the cutter link. The X-Cut chain cutters are made from high-quality carbon steel for maximum durability, and the unique hardened steel and chrome coating provides sharpness that lasts. The result is a chain that delivers on your needs, to be more productive, to get more done in less time, and to maximize your profitability.